Hi everyone, welcome back to Network Guru. Is your iPhone screen stuck in portrait mode? No worries, in this video I'll show you how to enable auto rotate and fix rotation issues on your iPhone. Let's get started. Method 1. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen for iPhones with Face ID. If you have an older iPhone with a home button, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Look for the rotation lock icon, a lock with a circular arrow. If it's enabled, highlighted in red, tap it to turn it off. Now your screen will rotate automatically when you turn your iPhone. Method 2. Some apps like Settings and Home Screen don't support landscape mode. To check, open an app like Safari or YouTube that supports rotation. Turn your iPhone sideways to see if it rotates. Method 3. If your auto rotate is still not working, restart your iPhone by holding the power plus volume down buttons on Face ID models, or the power button on home button models. Slide to power off and turn it back on. Try rotate the screen again. Things to keep in mind. Some apps do not support rotate even if auto rotate is enabled. Control Center is the fastest way to enable or disable rotation lock. Restarting your iPhone can fix minor glitches affecting auto rotate. And that's it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.